Okay, it's about 5:30 on, what's today, Wednesday the 2nd? And we just took these baby ducklings out of their mailing box. Here comes the cat. Kitty? Kitty? Hopefully she's being good. They are very, very active. I'm going to put more water in their water tray already. Of course, they've been traveling for 2 days. And through the mail, they did have some kind of cup in there, though. I'm not sure. There's a cup of something, and I've never seen that before. Okay. There was some food in there? That's weird, but they need water to eat, so it's weird. Anyway. Here they are. There's 25. They did not send any extra this time. Ducklings are pretty expensive. So maybe that's why. But we got there. This is a hover heater for them to sit under and sleep. And then I put water in here so they can't get their bodies in there, but you see they can get their little heads in there. That one just did it. Put their bill in. Oop, that one got stuck. Are you stuck? Oh, she got out. Put their little heads in and get a drink. And then got a whole tray of food here, which they already spilled out everywhere. But they're just very thirsty. I'm going to have to give them some more water. Well, they're very active. That's a good sign. I don't remember them being so active last time when they were just newly hatched. We are going to have to expand their little brooder here soon. Huh, girls? I can't tell if this is in focus or not. They're really fuzzy, too. Fuzzy and little tiny webbed feet. Little tiny wings. Just hop over everything. Just hopping over that feeder. I don't know a better way to put it. I mean, they can walk around it, but... There, that one, the little brown one. There's a little, remember last time we got them, the little brown ones seemed to be kind of like more the rundy ones. That one's all brown. Well, I think that's a good sign that they're very active.
All that way.
It came from Oregon through California.
Oh.
Oregon to California to Spokane, Washington to Moscow, Idaho. Oh wait, no, the ducks didn't come from Oregon. The chicks are coming from Oregon. I'm not sure. They came from California. They came from California. They just came from The chicks are coming from Oregon. So they might just come Oregon. Oh, there's one over there that looks sleepy. See that one over there? Aw. He's like, I want to take a little nap. I'm going to put him under the heat. It's okay, little one. I put you under here. It's warm. Okay? Put you under there. It's warm. There. Whoops. I got on. There. Now he's under the heat. No, they're girls. They're all girls. Okay, ladies. Little ones. There's 2 under the heat now. So maybe they'll congregate under there when they get cold. I'll come and check them a little bit. It's pretty warm in this room. I cranked the heat up to like 80. Oop. Kitty cat. Okay. Bye, chickies. Get you some more water.